Had that dream about you last night, but then I woke up next to her. And I know how time has gone by when I'm still stuck in that blur. I know it's stupid, I shouldn't think of you